In this tutorial I will show you how to fix your GPU from suddenly no display while playing or anything. First type in google.com. In the Google, search your GPU driver. Mine is RX570. This is 100% working. Already tried and tested in some RX series GPU. This saved me a couple of bucks. Once you select your desired GPU, you must be on the AMD or NVIDIA website. You must check the specification of your GPU base frequency. After you check your GPU base frequency, open your GPU driver application AMD software or your NVIDIA software. Then click Performance tab. Next, under Performance tab, click Tuning. I will show you my customized settings that saved me to buy a new GPU. I hope it will also work to you. I will show you how to do this. First, I will reset my settings from default. Then follow this tutorial to fix your GPU suddenly no display. Now click Manual Tuning or any equivalent settings on NVIDIA software. Next, click GPU Tuning. Remember your base frequency. Input it into the settings based on this video. Subtract 20 or something from your base frequency to input backwards. Also turn on your customization on your GPU fan. Just follow the steps on the video. After all the customization, don't forget to save or apply changes. If this helps, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.